So he noticed that GameStop was undervalued, and then Ryan Cohen, who founded Chewy, which is a company about pet food, online pet food company that he sold, and then he started investing in GameStop, and I think that created the start of a short squeeze, because many bet on the bankruptcy of brick and mortar companies. Now we are now 5 years later. The company is making profits because they've, first of all, they managed to get about 10 billion of cash that they've just getting interest out of that. So they did some dilution, so they're just getting the interest of that. The other thing is that they've closed so many shops. They've closed many parts of the business that were not profitable, and they are also going heavy into the trading of trading card trading, like Pokemon sports card and things like that. So yeah, they're not making money out of selling games in brick and mortar shops. That they just be clear, but they have other activities, and I think. Ryan Cohen probably spotted that eBay could do better than what it is doing, and yeah, it's kind of interesting to see what will happen. It's a bit crazy because eBay, from a market size, is 4 times bigger. So, like the magic of finance and leverage that would explain or that would happen, but it's just. Yeah, it's quite interesting to see GameStop was supposed to be dead a long time ago. It's still kind of the roots are still selling video games or selling collector item, and I think it's kind of interesting to see what will happen with that one. You can see synergies between eBay and GameStop, because eBay could be used as a platform to sell their collectible, for example. So yeah, so it's not really purely video game business, but it's very much peripheral, and yeah, that's the big news.
Well,
You guys know?
eBay would give them the opportunity to really double down on, like you're saying, the Pokemon cards and whatever other. I think Logan Paul was trying to push like Digimon or something recently, which is funny because I feel like the whole thing is it's the same story as the meme stock, right? It's people trying to make money out of nonsense economies, and so there is a funny way in which like it works. It's all nonsense, but it's all nonsense sort of that get thrown into the same bucket. And if GameStop can own that, great, good on them.
And I would say it's becoming a meme market. When you look at some of the valuation of some of the companies, things are going hyperbolic, even for the biggest one, for the Google, for the Meta, for other ones. Just valuation are completely out of control. So yeah, just another episode, another story.
Can you explain what you mean by meme market for those who don't know?
A meme, it's like nothing is based on fundamentals anymore. It's just the hype. It's just the leverage. I mean, we still have the Hormuz Detroit situation right now, and stock market is almost at the highest. Why we might run out of petrol at some point. So things the markets are completely disconnected from any sort of reality at this point, and it feels like the stretch is kind of increasing. So it's becoming irrational, and that's why we use meme, I would say, because it was irrational back then when people invested in GameStop or in AMC 5 years ago.
Yep.